Now, first experiment, experiment 1. Okay, so in that experiment, in the first experiment, they selected bacteriophage in which protein was labeled with radioactivity. Radioactivity. Protein with 35, yes. Okay, so protein was labeled with radioactive isotope. So overall radioactivity is present. But what about the DNA molecule non-labeled? Non-labeled DNA. For identification, labeled means what is the purpose of labeling? For identification, labeled. Labeled, non-labeled. Okay, right? So now this bacteriophage attached to bacterial cell. So take one bacterial cell here. Bacterial cell. That bacteriophage attached on the surface of the bacterial cell. This is a DNA molecule, non-labeled one. Go back to microbiology. Under the heading microbiology, within viruses, lytic cycle you studied. First one is adsorption, attachment between virus and bacterial cell. Adsorption, surface attachment. Okay, because of collision between compatible bacteriophage and bacterial cell. Okay, so according to lytic cycle, viral DNA is injected into bacterial cell. Now, this host cell, bacterial cell, feels that this is bacterial cell. Bacterial cell treats viral DNA as its own DNA. Actually, this is the DNA of a bacterial cell. Okay. Next. Attachment completed. Okay, so here is the bacteriophage. Small one I'm giving. Here step is penetration, drilling of a cell wall and injection of a viral DNA. Viral DNA into bacterial cells. Viral DNA. Once viral DNA is injected into bacterial cell, what about the fate of bacterial DNA? Disappeared. Now this bacterial cell treating viral DNA as its own genetic material. Now bacterial cell is forced or directed by the viral DNA to synthesize viral components. Now this host have to prepare DNA proteins for the replication of a bacteriophage. Okay, is it clear? Right? But in the textbook, now the given heading, what are the headings given in our textbook now? Infection. Infection was given. First one, infection. Follow this one, no problem. Here, infection means introduction of viral DNA into bacterial cell. This total one. Actually, this is infection actually. Okay, viral DNA into bacterial cell. Okay. So now This one is protein part only protein part. So this is protein or not? Only protein part. This is protein only. Sheath part. So according to Lytic cycle, this is called as ghost or not? Ghost protein. Okay, so now it is a protein part only. DNA inside. Okay, is it clear? Next. Bacterial cell. Now, replication of a number of production of a number of viral DNA molecules. Viral DNA, viral, all these are viral DNAs. Bacteriophage DNA molecules. And ghost is here, protein part. Okay, so now it is subjected to agitation, shaking in a blender. Blender is one type of machine, agitation. The purpose of that one is to separate a ghost from the bacterial cell. So with the help of that, they separated ghost from the bacterial cell. So ghost is here. Without DNA molecule. Okay, so now inside a bacterial cell, a number of bacteriophages produced. Bacteriophage 1, 2, 3. Bacteriophage 1, 2, 3. All these are bacteriophages. Use same diagram here with DNA. Okay, right? So now this is subjected to centrifugation. Test tube, centrifugation. Centrifugation. Okay, 1 minute. Subjected to centrifugation. Okay. In the supernatant, uppermost liquid part. Supernatant means uppermost liquid part. What they traced out? They traced out the presence of 35 sulfur containing amino acids, radioactive isotope with the help of autoradiography. That is one type of film taking equipment to trace out the presence of radioactive isotope. Okay, so now bacterial cells are with viral particles or not? So these are the bacteriophages. Bacteriophages, many are produced. Now all these viral particles separated from the bacterial cell. They tested it. So all these are the viral particles. Viral particle 1, DNA, viral particle 1, 2, 3, 4, many. That depends. All these are viral particles. Rough diagram I'm using. Okay, so now all these are tested, subjected to testing after isolation. This is also centrifugation. Centrifuged. Centrifugation. And tested with the autoradiography technique. And what they traced out? No radioactive isotope, RAI, radioactive isotope. Okay. So basically, that bacteriophage is with radioactivity. So the viral particle with radioactivity that infected the bacterial cell, okay, producing viral particles without radioactivity. So according to this experiment, radioactivity was present in protein only, but not a DNA molecule. And here, new viral particles are produced according to viral DNA. Okay, so that's why all these viral particles are without radioactivity. So the material or biomolecule out of protein and DNA, which one was inserted into bacterial cell? Definitely DNA. Okay, so infection. Second one is a blender technique, and the third one is centrifugation. Okay, is it clear? So that is about our first experiment, right?